Entrepreneurs, ever dream of making money while you sleep? TikTok's the new hustle. We're talking serious cash, like $24.57 per video. Yeah, you heard right. TikTok's a gold mine, but you gotta know how to dig. Get ready to level up your hustle and make bank. TikTok's where attention equals dollars. Creators are cashing in, building empires one video at a time. The best part? Anyone can do it, whether you're a chef, a comedian, or a cat whisperer. But gotta be smart, gotta be strategic. That's what we're here for. Ready to turn those dance moves into dollar bills? No more excuses. It's time to turn your passion into profit. Let's go. Hold up, $24.57 a video? Sounds crazy, right? But it's the reality for many TikTok creators. We're talking real people, regular folks raking in the dough. How? By cracking the TikTok code. It's not magic, it's strategy. And guess what? You can learn it too. TikTok's a different beast. It's not just about followers, it's about engagement. It's about creating content that hooks viewers and keeps them coming back for more. The more eyes on your videos, the more money in your pocket. Simple math, right? But don't be fooled. It takes work, dedication, consistency, and a whole lot of hustle. Remember those kids making slime in their bedrooms? They're laughing all the way to the bank now. Why? Because they understood the power of TikTok. They created content people loved, and they got rewarded for it. And you can too. Don't underestimate yourself. You got this. Want the inside scoop on how creators hit that sweet $25 per video mark? We got you. First things first, it's all about the algorithm. This mysterious force decides who sees your videos. Cracking the code is key. Think trending sounds, engaging hooks, and high quality content. Next up, diversify your income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. TikTok offers a buffet of monetization options. Think brand deals, affiliate marketing, even selling your own merch. The more ways you monetize, the more cash you stack. It's all about building multiple revenue streams. Remember Charli D'Amelio? From dance videos to million-dollar deals. She's a prime example of leveraging TikTok for massive success. But it's not just about dancing. It's about finding your niche, your voice, your unique selling point. What makes you different? What can you offer that no one else can? Answer that, and you're golden. All right, you got the basics. Now let's optimize your content for maximum earning potential. First up, hashtags. They're like signposts directing traffic to your videos. Use a mix of trending and niche-specific hashtags. Engage with other creators in your niche. Collaboration is key. When's your audience most active? Post during those peak hours. The algorithm loves a regular posting schedule. Always prioritize quality over quantity. Hook viewers from the get-go with a strong intro. Keep your videos short, sweet, and to the point. Section 5, your content, your gold mine. Finding your niche. Listen up, hustlers. The key to TikTok riches, finding your niche. What are you passionate about? What gets you fired up? That's your gold mine. Don't be afraid to be yourself. Authenticity is magnetic. It builds trust, and trust translates to dollars. Think about it. What problem can you solve? What value can you offer? Can you make people laugh? Teach them something new? Become the go-to expert in your niche. Remember, your content is your product. Make it high quality and valuable. The more creative you are, the more you stand out from the crowd. Section 6, community is key. Engage to earn big. Yo, TikTok's not a one-way street. It's about building a community, engaging with your followers, responding to comments, running contests and giveaways. The more you put in, the more you get out. It's all about building relationships. People buy from people they like and trust. So be likable, be trustworthy, be present. Don't underestimate the power of a simple like or comment. It shows you care. It shows you're listening. It builds loyalty. And loyal followers translate to consistent views, engagement, and ultimately more money. So get out there, join the conversation, be a part of the community. Remember, TikTok's a two-way street. It's not just about broadcasting your message. It's about listening to your audience. What do they want? What are they struggling with? How can you help? Answer those questions, and you'll build a thriving community of engaged followers who can't wait to see your next video. Next. Section 7. The algorithm's language. Speaking TikTok fluently. Listen up, TikTok newbies. The algorithm's the name of the game. It decides who sees your content, how often, and for how long. Master the algorithm, and you've unlocked the key to TikTok riches. So how do you speak its language? It's all about understanding what it craves. Engagement, watch time, shares, and saves. Engagement's king. The more likes, comments, shares, and saves your video gets, the more the algorithm rewards you. It's a sign that people are digging your content. So how do you boost engagement? Ask questions, run polls, host challenges, and respond to comments like your life depends on it. Remember, the algorithm's always watching. It's analyzing your every move. So make sure you're putting your best foot forward. Post high-quality content, use relevant hashtags, and engage with your followers. Do that consistently, and you'll be speaking the algorithm's language in no time. Section 8. Your time to shine. The $25 TikTok challenge awaits. There you have it. The blueprint for crushing it on TikTok and potentially making $25 per video. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes dedication, consistency, and a whole lot of hustle. But trust me, it's worth it. TikTok's the land of opportunity. It's a place where anyone with a smartphone and a dream can build an empire. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, create amazing content, and watch the money roll in. Challenge yourself to make that $25 per video mark. You got this. And remember, the only limit is your own creativity. So go out there, break the internet, and crush it. The TikTok revolution is here, and you're invited. Are you in? The choice is yours. You can keep scrolling, watching others live their dreams, or you can take action. Step into your power and make your mark on the world. I know what I'd choose. What about you?